Hello, Class 4-1 Orange Group. Mr. Waterman here with today's language arts lesson on Monday, August 30th, 2021. I hope everyone had a great weekend. Last week, on Friday, we talked a little bit about the first story we are going to be reading this semester, which is called Animals Building Homes. And I gave you an activity where you needed to list 5 animals and you needed to write the names of the places where they live, their homes, and you had to draw a picture, okay? Don't forget to bring that activity with you into school when school opens, and please email it to me so I can check it as well. Today, we're going to read the story, okay? So I have already uploaded the PDF, so hopefully you have printed it off and you can very easily follow along as I'm reading. Okay, so I'm on page 190, where the title is Animals Building Homes, and this is an informational text. It gives us facts about a topic, okay? As you read the story, look for photos and headings, and also look for facts and details about a topic. Before we begin reading, let's find out a little bit about the author. This is Meet the Author. Her name is Wendy Perkins. Please read along. Can you guess why author Wendy Perkins has been called a walking animal encyclopedia? It's because her mind is filled with facts and information about all kinds of animals. Miss Perkins has written nonfiction books about animal eyes, ears, feet, feathers, noses, teeth, and tails. She also writes articles for Highlights for Children, which is a magazine, and a magazine put out by the San Diego Zoo called Zoo News. Very, very cute title. All right, and now let's begin. Here's our title, Animals Building Homes by Wendy Perkins. Here's a question to think about as we are reading. What are animal homes like? Let's find out. Look at this animal here. Do you know what this animal is? If you have guessed a beaver, that is correct. A beaver's home. A beaver is hard at work. It gnaws on a tree trunk. Soon, the tree falls. The beaver floats the log to a pond. There, the beaver builds a lodge. The beaver piles up logs. It fills the cracks between the logs with mud and grass. The lodge keeps the beaver safe and warm. So the beaver has to have very sharp teeth in order to gnaw or chew this tree trunk. Let's look at this question here. Analyze the text using context. What is a lodge? How do the other sentences help you to figure out the meaning? What are these cute animals? Better yet, what are they doing? Is this their home? Let's find out. Safe at home. Most animals need a home. Homes keep animals safe from predators, rain, snow, or the hot sun. Some animals live in their homes for life. Other animals live in their homes long enough to raise their offspring or survive hot or cold weather. So we know what predators are, right? And offspring is another way to say children. And to survive hot or cold weather, to be able to live through hot and cold weather. Oh, look at the cute picture of the baby birds. Building nests. Many animals live in nests. A hummingbird builds a small cup-shaped nest. The nest is made of moss and bits of spider web. Wow, who knew they use spider web to help build their nests? Look at this page. What is this? Let's find out. A mouse makes a grass nest in the shape of a ball. The mouse hides its nest in tall grass or in a tunnel under the ground. That's to keep them safe from predators. If they don't make a nest like this and hide, they could be eaten. Look at this beautiful bird. What's he doing? Careful builders. Some animals put a lot of work into building their homes. Weaver birds make nests that hang from tree branches. The birds carefully weave grass and leaves together. Weaver birds use their feet and beaks to tie knots in the grass. I think he did an excellent job building this nest. What do you think? Whoa, what's this? Working together. Animals can work together to build homes. Termites build mounds made out of mud, mixed with saliva. Other animals cannot easily break through the hard mud. Goodness. Look at those mounds. They're really tall. Do you know what this word saliva means? Hint. We all have it in our mouths. Look at this beautiful picture. What are they? Polyps are animals that make coral reefs. A polyp builds a limestone cup around its body for protection. The cups of the polyps grow together to make a coral reef. Aren't they beautiful? Wow, what's this creature here? Wow, look at its feet and tail. Looks a little bit scary, don't you think? Making a burrow. Burrows are holes in the ground where some animals live. Gophers use their teeth and paws to dig long, winding tunnels. They make rooms in the deepest parts of the tunnels. The gophers hide their offspring and food in these rooms. There's the gopher. Look at that. It's home, it's underground. Pay attention to analyze the text here. Text and graphic features. It says to use the headings, those are the headings, to help you quickly find the information about how a gopher makes a burrow. What is the heading for that page? Making a burrow. Moving on to the next page. Home improvement. Some animals live in homes made by other animals. Chickadees use tree holes made by woodpeckers. Chickadees bring grass and moss into the hole. They build a nest for their chicks. Yeah, so sometimes one animal will do the work and make a nest, and then when they leave that home, another animal will move in, just like the chickadee. Oh, I think we all know what this is. Building a home. Most animals need homes where they can rest and raise their offspring. Homes also keep animals safe from predators. Beavers build lodges. Mice make nests. Gophers dig burrows. How does a polar bear make its den? How do you think it makes its den? Can you tell? And that's the end of the story. What I would like you to do is I would like you to go back and read the story out loud 2 times. Pay attention to the vocabulary words. Remember, these words are often used as bonus words on the spelling test. And please go back and review the vocabulary words before you read the story on your own. If you have any questions, feel free to email Mr. Waterman or send me a message on Class Dojo. I hope you enjoyed reading the story. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.